Howdy everybody. As you can see, we're at this stage again, painting gear's on. I'm back at the flow art, and this week, something different. I'm going to try and paint on this. The mechanism went and just stopped working, so I was left with this. It's going to be a swipe. I'm going to put paint around the middle and then blow it out and see how we go. But first off, we're going to just try a swipe. I bought a load of trays and things to put bits and pieces in, and one of these is going to be sacrificed to put paint in, so I can do a swipe, drag, and see how we go. So first off, I better get on and get started. How are we doing up there? Hello? Okay, so I'm going to use the magenta house paint mix. Not magenta, magnolia. Quite thin, definitely going golds. This is marshmallow white, which is, so it's slightly greyish. I'm trying to get muted colours. Payne's grey with a little bit of flow in it. Oh, I've got this pearlescent coral and old bits of gold. Second layer, small amount of this, a little bit of gold, a little bit of Payne's grey, even up this side. Okay, I'm going to swipe, 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 and then push back swipe. It's rather watery. Are we ready? Cue music. Inconsistencies of paint, but not bad. Let's get the blowtorch on that. Gold has vanished. I don't think the black moves as much as white. It's not bad. It's not what I was aiming for, but it's not bad. Let me try that again. Just with a small canvas and just do one single swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. There you go. So it's very watery. Try the silver. God, that hurts my hand. And silvers and greys, lots of. Yeah, I'd be happy with that with the painting. Have a bit of colour. Okay. So we're going to go same thing again through the middle. Let's get rid of some of that white because it's way too fast. It's sunk. Ooh, sparkles. I have blue sparkles all through this. I don't know, that's come out purple. silver, scarlet, mixed white, which is going first, purple and grey, usual colours. For a start, we'll get a bit of paper. This is going to hurt my hand even more. Swipe.
Swipe, 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 swipe.
Right, that didn't work. Keep going round. That red is just so thin. What? Didn't work. This scarlet is so thin, it's just not doing it. Swipe around this way, try and spread this out a bit. That didn't work. Nothing I'm doing today is working, so that didn't work. Attempt 1 at painting over the clock did not work. So, swipe wouldn't work. I thought a swipe would work, but it's really hard to do, especially with a busted hand. This didn't work either, so I think we're going to put a little bit of white on, go with a little bit of this through the middle. I'm just going to pour. Like that. Cold. We have hairdryer. The only thing is I've got to get this over here to cover this. I'll blow this in then now. It wants more of that. It wants this. Clouds of time. A bit thicker green house red, and I'm wobbling the camera. I'll just go around here. Very muddy here. Too much paint not moving. It's taking too much time. 20 minutes. I think, okay, it's a mess, but interesting mess. What do you think? Okay. It dries. Well, there we go. I can see you through there. It didn't turn out as I had in my mind. Well, I wanted it to swipe. Thank you to Icia for their random contribution. As soon as I said swipe, Tora said it, and I thought it had to be included. Yeah, I kind of wanted to make it swipe round and spin round, but it just didn't work, and also busted hand. I don't know what I've done. I jammed my hand in the bed when I was asleep and it hurt. It's probably to me going climbing as well. But we're here. We have, yeah, clouds of time. There's the thumbnail done. It's not bad. Put that down. The testers, I think this is going to be one of those where I'm going to draw over it. I kind of did with the infidel painting. I did and drew all pictures because there's a face up there. Can you see her? Looking down with a long neck. I'm going to draw on this. There might be a whole separate video. Watch this space. And this, it's kind of like a giant placemat. It's not bad. Oh, I can see a face. I can see a face. There we go. Scary face. Look. Creepy demon. It wouldn't be one of my paintings if it didn't have a scary face somewhere. They're okay. Worth playing around with. It's been a while. I needed to get my hand back into it and do it, even if it was only one hand. Hope you like this. Hope this was fun. A little bit of flow art for your day to feel the in London being creative side of this channel. And if you liked that sort of thing, then do give it a thumbs up. Ow, that hurts. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below because I like comments. Comments are good. Tell me what else to try. Tell me different colour combinations because I keep gravitating towards purple. Tell me, talk to me. If you watch this and you're not subscribed, hit subscribe and come back each week for something different. Like I said, I'm going to stop saying subscribe because no one's listening. Hope you like this. Hope you see you again soon and bye. Mix. I've done something to my tendon. I pulled a tendon in my hand sleepwalking. I do that. If you can hear a droning sound, it's someone's washing machine. There's a kid outside screaming. It's very hard to pinch when you've hurt your thumb. Just don't need that magenta paint on there, the base paint. Yeah. That kid is really annoying. Why? He's just standing in the middle of the playground screaming his head off. Bing.